Hi, my name is Greg Damson Odeste, a newly architect board passer last June 2026. I would like to thank Atlas Career Development Center for being a big part of this achievement. When I came to Atlas, it was like I was looking for a review center which is accessible to me because I wanted it to be face-to-face class, so I chose the and enrolled in Atlas Alabang branch. Days before our face-to-face class starts, the January results came and majority of the Atlas reviewee, about 96%, passed and most top-notchers, including top 1 was here. So I guess I chose the right review center. All along, we have this wonderful architect instructors. It's not just the comprehensive, it's the applications of how they explain. And more to it is the teamwork that we built through this review. Having this batch of aspirants inspired me to be more and be one of them, those talented younger ones. At my age, most would have thought all dogs don't learn that much, but being here at Atlas and those friendships that we created, we succeed. 97.7% of us pass the exam and architects now. That's my plot twist. Thank you, Atlas Career Development Center, for helping our dreams come true.
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review for a comprehensive prep for the architecture board exams. Message us now.